Japanese grocery store. Oh yeah, so cute. I wish we had these in Minnesota. That would be nice. Did you really like that looking? Good you know, did you like, you know, place where you instead of smells like? Maybe because they have a lot of fresh food here, or fresh like stuff. Snack aisle. Right here. You look on one side and I'll look on the other side. Which side you look? You look this side. Okay, oh. Cool. Here's green tea, but I don't see any Kit Kat. Oh, what's this? No, it's not that. There's Kit Kats right here, but these are not green tea. There's Crunch. Oh, is it that?
Green tea Crunch.
Is there any? $4.99. Oh yeah. Maybe it's somewhere here. Did you see it? Good job. Okay, my dog, we came all the way over here just for you.
For this much.
Yeah.
It's $5.50. That's expensive.
But it's probably good though. To Hollywood, well, almost to Hollywood Boulevard. We just passed by the Hollywood sign and I didn't get it in time because these big buildings are blocking, but we'll be there soon. And I do not recall. Whoa, gas is only $3.99 right here compared to where we were from. It was like $4.30. Arco. Hollywood Little Red School. If I remember right, at night it's really pretty, y'all. Oh, the Hollywood Museum. What's the difference between this one and the one that we're gonna go to? No, 진영 hall ticket. Why you pissed, homegirl?
Yes, it is. I think that's the police.
After 250 feet, turn right.
No, you're John Hollywood stuff. No. Are you turning here? Even the McDonald's looks
Reach your
glamorous.
destination on your right.
Wherever boat parking get 500 more. Oh yeah, but good day, put it on. No, too much of it. 자, 이거 너무. I think we did park here. No, not here. I mean here. Like right here. How much is it? Okay, we can just ask them, right? Is it this guy? Oh. Mary and I are heading up to the Hollywood sign. It's like probably super busy up there, but we have to go take pictures with something because last time we were here we didn't get to take pictures with it, so taking the escalator. See the rest of that. There's a big Sephora right there. The sign is up there. Oh, so hot. Oh, there's a water placing right there. Tu m'as eu la verdad son zio. Oh, we have to get to the other side to go. No, we cross the shop. Are you sure? Oh. 봐. 저기서 I like it though. 내가 그치냐? 우리 안에 붙여네. Hello Kitty shop. Yeah, like 根本有可能做，係咪根本讀扮做咗攞啦？Like you know your little stick thing, and 你根本嘢啊，然後冇你攞啊，然後你 make noise 啊，然後你個樹都台兩啊，然後攞住都攞藍，然後有見到藍乜果精，有咩啊？跟住我。
She doesn't eat them.
You like those powders?
I ate it all.
Are they not now? No, this is regular. No, your last time now you also have. Oh, yeah, that one bugs me. Ew, did she even eat it? I think she gave it away to her friends. And then did you see this one? Where if you buy a bubble thing, it goes throughout the whole entire car. It's actually pretty cool. Oh, it doesn't work, the Ferrari. Well, it's still a pretty cool idea though. Oh, I didn't go over here yet.
Their social status.
This is like Kidu just play I mean, we're so happy. Okay, this is Johnny African do just play Their dreams. So freaky. Well, it's kind of cool.
Great books of Philip. Taught by his father,
right there,
fantasy
I don't know, you know what?
The family's fantasy content
That's one of the plays.
galleries around the world.
Oh, cool.
These discarded genetic mutations and care for them, extend their fragile lives.
Paul Springer keeps a photo up with pictures of nearly all of them. There's a 5-horse race, 2 donkeys with 1 head, 2-headed cows, and plenty of 5- and 6-legged steers.
Okay.
Fall opposite the wall and strike a pose. Don't look into the flash. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now check your shadow on the wall.
Oh, I like it. Oh, good job, oh. I like it. Let's do it again.
Flash. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now check your shadow on the
Don't
wall.
you think yeah, I was good.
4, 3, 2, 1. Now check your shadow on the wall. Position yourself against the opposite wall and strike a pose. Don't look into the flash. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Position yourself against the opposite wall and strike a pose. Don't look into the flash. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now check your shadow on the wall.
Oh, what the? That thing makes me dizzy. Oh, youteo. Yeah, world thinnest person. Oh my god, so skinny. What's also? And what is this? General thumbs up?
He has a flat.
Oh. Oh, and then he's the strangest face award. Oh my goodness, Lord. Okay, here comes.
We are in the, what is it? We're in the room.
Grab the ruby.
Oh no, that's like on camera watch. No, you can't. You can't. It's in there.
It says you can. All right, go.
Santa Monica Beach.
Last time you were in Sydney,
This is done by nail polish. Really?
So I'm about to open the Pandora room. Due to curiosity.
It's just light? That's it? Sabi ka, watch it on. Oh, it's eye splashes. What is it supposed to do? Oh, is it?
You gotta
Wait.
get closer.
You have to get closer? Oh, you're making me scared. Oh my god, that was scary. Oh, it just goes down? Oh, shut down pipe? Oh, you make music. That's me, and that's Dirt. Oh, I like this. Hold on, I gotta put my bag down. Do your hair, I'm gonna zoom in. I'm pregnant.